If you want to change your keyboard language on your iPhone, you can do it in just a few simple steps. First, if you're looking for additional symbols and special characters, open the keyboard and tap the hashtag += key. This will display extra symbols and special characters. To add a new keyboard language, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap General, then select Keyboard. Next, tap Keyboards at the top, then choose Add New Keyboard. Browse the list and select the language you want to add, such as German, Spanish, French, or any other available language. Once you've selected the language, it will be added to your keyboard list. Now, open any app that uses the keyboard, tap the globe icon to switch between your installed keyboard languages whenever you need to. You can also tap the emoji button at any time to access the emoji keyboard. That's it! You've successfully added and switched keyboard languages on your iPhone. If you found this guide helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tutorials.